In this video, we will introduce the utility functions of the FA-1616. Utility is a function that allows you to save the FA-1616 settings to a file on your PC. Select Utility from the menu bar, or click the Utility button at the top of the home screen to open the menu. In the Event Load and Save tab, you can save all parameter information as of the time of export. However, the event does not include the PRU operating mode 2K and 4K, MoIP operating mode, or network settings. Please note that loading an event while the unit is operating in a different mode may result in the settings not loading correctly. Next, we will explain how to export configuration data. Open the Event Import and Export tab. In Export Event, you can save the event data as a file on the PC running the web GUI. Select the type. User event exports the event specified by the event number, while all events exports all events from event numbers 1 to 100. Click Export. A CSV file will be downloaded to your PC. The download location may vary depending on the browser used, but normally it is saved in the Downloads folder like this. Next is how to import configuration data. In Select File, specify the CSV file saved during the earlier export operation. Once the file is ready for import, the Import button will become clickable. Click Import to load the contents of the saved CSV file. In the Backup and Restore tab, you can back up the unit's configuration state as data. The backup data includes the PRU operating mode 2K and 4K, MoIP operating mode, and network settings. In Backup and Restore data, click the Backup button. A confirmation message will appear. Click OK. A zip file will be downloaded to your PC. The download location may vary depending on the browser used, but it is usually saved in the Downloads folder. Next is how to restore from a backup file. Click Restore and specify the zip file saved on your PC. When you click the Restore button, a confirmation message will appear. Click OK. After loading the backup data, you will need to restart the power of the FA-1616.